So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm here to explain the new Leetcode question, that is the boat to save the people. So let's read the question and let's solve कि हम कौन से approaches लगा सकते हैं इसको, and we will discuss all about this problem. That is, we will be discussing in this video the time and space complexity of this problem. So let's read the question. That is, you are given an array, people, where people is the weight of the ith person and the infinite number of boat, where boat can carry a maximum weight of a limit. Okay, and each boat carries at most the people at the same time. Okay, there will be the two conditions, that if means the weight of a people can't be greater than the limit, means there is a limit something, if the limit is something 10 or something, that the weight of that people should not exceed the 10. And the second thing is, when we are talking about the second condition, that is it can contain only the two peoples in one boat. So let's read the next condition. What is it? And provided the sum of the weight of those people is at most limit, okay, and return the minimum number of boats to carry every person. Okay. Okay, I think it's an easy level question because there is a given, means there are the two conditions that are the most important. That is, the weight should not exceed the limit, and the second, it should contain only the two peoples in every boat or each boat. So what are the inputs? That is a people 1 2, okay, and what is a limit 3, okay. As I said, if we are taking an example, then there would be a limit of, if there would be a limit of a 10, then the people, means the weight of a people should not be greater than the 10, and should not be greater than the 10, and the second condition, that is the most, कि हम दो के ही pair बनाएंगे बस, that's it. And after this, okay, so let's go on the blank board. Shit. Shit. Okay. Okay. So we were discussing about the conditions, that are the first condition would be if there is a limit of 10. This is a limit, then there would be a two condition, that is it would not exceed the limit. It would not exceed the limit, and the second condition is, the second condition is it should contain only the two pair. So what would be our approach? I think we will be using here the two pointer algorithm. So how will we use this algorithm? That is, कि first हम, if we are taking the example of anything, कि हम a small people weight, means low heavy, means low weight peoples, that are something P1 and P2, and second are heavyweight, people that are P3 and P4. So if we have to make the pair, So what we will do कि we will arrange the elements कि हम first we will take the heavyweight element and means we will arrange the pair of first the heavyweight element and then the small weight element means low weight element means हम दोनों उनके पेयर बनाएंगे जो heavyweight होगा and the heavyweight का एक element means the one people of an heavyweight and the low people means the low weight of another people. So means हम पेयर बना के बोट में डालेंगे एंड इट्स ऑल कि हम उसमें भी मेन कंडीशन क्या होंगी कि वो दोनों का सम दैट शुड नॉट एक्सीड द लिमिट. Suppose the limit is 10 something. So if the first weight that is a low weight people that is a 2 and here 3 and it is 8 and 9. So if we are taking P3 plus P1, so it is equals to 10. That is a limit. So it's good. It is not exceeding the limit. So we will just return. And if we are taking the heavyweight element, it means heavyweight people, then we will direct means if it is equals to the condition that is a limit. So we will directly return the code and just go to the code what we had written on the code and just dry run it. Okay. हाँ, as the most important कि if हमको heavy weight and the low weight हमको find out करना है कि हम heavy weight peoples and low weight peoples हमको find out करना है, then we have to sort it. So the most important thing is we should first sort it the elements means in an array. This is the most important thing. This is and then we will just initialize and as I said we will be using the two pointer approach. So if I am taking here if हमारा array ऐसा है 2 3 4 5, so from the last element we will be considering as a j, that is a we know as we know the conditions of last index that is the size -1, that is n -1 we can say, and the first that is I equals to 0. We will be initializing as this and then we will be giving the condition that I should be smaller than the j because we are using here the two pointer approach and to satisfy those both conditions, that is it means that should not exceed the limit, that the condition that is if we are if we are taking the sum of those pair, that is the low weight people and the high weight people, then it should not exceed the limit, and that's what we had given here the condition, and just we will allocate the boat in a pair. Here we had given that the condition ki the sum of those people, that is the heavyweight people and the low weight people, should not exceed the limit, and if it is exceeding, then we will just return the boat. So just we had given here the condition that boat plus plus and j minus minus, that is because of a last index we had given the decrement operator here. So and just we will return the boat. So thank you guys for supporting me, and do share and save the video. So subscribe, and the main thing is do subscribe my channel to it really helps me and really motivates me to make the more videos. So thank you guys.